Good morning po, sir. Interested po kaming mag-join sa AYS, pero meron po kaming ilang katanungan po.
Paano po ba mag-start sa AYS?
To start, first, kailangan lang nating i-download and to sign up dun sa ating application, which is yung AYS service provider. Then after that, you can send your list of requirements, NBI, police clearance, COE recommendation letter, proof of skills, and yung mga signature, as well as yung profile picture sa ating email, which is yung appearservicio@gmail.com. Then after that, we can set an appointment for the interview and orientation sa ating hub or via Zoom kung sa malayo tayong lugar.
Ano-ano pong mga service ang pwede sa AYS?
Actually, any service is acceptable naman just as long as it is a service to people. And pag nakapasa naman tayo sa interview, madali na lang natin ma-list yung inyong service sa ating platform. Any service na alam natin at hindi natin alam is open for listing sa ating AYS platform.
How do we get paid po?
After rendering your service, the customer will pay you full amount via cash or gateway payment, and the platform will deduct the fees on your AYS wallet. So keep in mind na pag walang laman yung AYS wallet ninyo, hindi kayo mabubook. And to replenish yung inyong AYS wallet, you can pay through GCash and to chat our Facebook page and our HR para mapasok na yung AYS, sa AYS wallet nyo yung amount na i-replenish.
Sir, where can we offer our service po as a service provider?
Right now, anywhere in the country available or pwede natin ma-offer yung service natin. Pero we're looking forward na soon, globally, pwede na tayong mag-book.
Sir, bali sino po ang nagde-decide ng prices ng service?
You as a service provider will decide on your pricing para sa service na gagawin mo. Dahil etong ating AYS platform is just like a marketplace of service provider. So, yung mga prices and rates na kukunin namin is based sa kung anong gusto nyong rates na ibibigay niya sa amin. So, yung mga client kasi natin, sila yung pipili. It's either kung gusto nila mas mura or mas mahal na service. So, kung ano yung service na meron kayo, hihingin namin yun upon approval kung magkano yung rates na ibibigay nyo sa kada service na i-render nyo sa AYS platform.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Welcome.